Right, back to Enjin. So what I'm liking about Enjin, like I say, is they are working with big boys as well. So you can see Microsoft's blockchain-based badge rewards program that they've got up and running. They have been working with them for a solid amount of time. Obviously, as well, bear in mind Microsoft are the developers behind Xbox. So if Enjin begins integrating into the Xbox, or Enjin's gaming ecosystem begins integrating into Xbox, you've all of a sudden got access to millions and millions and millions of people, of gamers that start utilizing their platform, start buying NFTs, start upgrading their weapons in game, and that's a big development that we've seen over the past decade. So when people are talking about blockchain gaming being behind, and it is in terms of quality of a game, but look, everyone everywhere starts upgrading their own characters and stuff. Fortnite, the amount of money people spend on Fortnite for a free game is insane. So anyone that's going, oh, well, because I've heard gaming developers talking about, well, it's not fair because you're trying to monetize. Well, that's what you do. That's what everyone does in games at the moment. You can upgrade the characters. You can buy loads of little features, buy new clothes, whatever the nonsense is. So Enjin, if they can get integrated with something like Xbox, Jesus Christ. They're looking at building their own metaverse. They're already working with Azure Heroes, which is a Microsoft project. Obviously, you can see that these games are, they're adding to these games dramatically, and they continue to do so. I'm expecting that we're going to see some serious big things from Enjin over the next few years. And Enjin is one of the few gaming cryptos on Coinbase. Hit a height of $4.20 in the past